In change of order of integration, we need to remember two things. What are those? First, anti-clockwise direction and clockwise direction. Next, vertical strips, horizontal strips. If a problem is given in anti-clockwise direction, that is, we have to identify in the problem. If it is vertical strip, you have to convert it to horizontal strip. If it is horizontal strip, you have to convert it to vertical strip. This I will discuss. In anti-clockwise direction, outer limit should be x. In clockwise direction, outer limit should be y. Outer limit means outer limit always constants. Inner limit means function of x or function of y. Okay. Now outer limit is x here for anti-clockwise direction. For clockwise direction, outer limit is y here. Okay. Remember these two things while going change of order of integration. In change of order of integration, vertical strip means always anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise direction means horizontal strip. Outer limit here x, here outer limit is y. This you have to remember first before going to problems. First we discuss first problem. Only the limits I will discuss. Most of the students will got doubts on the limits and how to change the order of integration. That I want to discuss now. In change of order of integration, this is the first problem. First you have to identify the limits of the problem. Here inner limit is containing x term. So it is y limit. Here x limit. So here x is the outer limit. X outer limit means first you have to identify that is anti-clockwise direction and you have to consider vertical strip. First you see the diagram for this one. Here you have two curves. What are those? Y square equal to 4ax. This meaning is next x square equal to 4ay. From these two limits, these are the parabolas. These two limits are parabolas. Here y square equal to 4ax means y square. Y square means you have to draw like this. This is y square curve. Next x square curve. This is x square equal to 4ay. This is y square equal to 4ax. Now given problem is y equal to x square by 4a means this is mapped to this one. This is mapped to this one. Okay. Now y x square equal to 4ay. This is the lower limit. So x square equal to 4ay where? Here x square equal to 4ay to y square equal to 4ax. That is vertical strip is given in the problem. That is PQ. Vertical strip is given in the problem. So you have to convert it to horizontal strip. Vertical strip means it is containing outer limit x, inner limit y. This is the anti-clockwise direction it is given. Anti-clockwise direction means this one. Okay. Next you have to convert this diagram to horizontal strip. That is same parabolas. So you need to convert it to horizontal strip. What is the first lower limit of this one? This is actually curve is y square equal to 4ax. This curve is x square equal to 4ay. From this you have to write x values. From the first one x value. What is the x value from this one? Y square by 4a. From this what is the x value? Under root of 4a. Now new limits are y square by 4a to next under root of 2ay. So x limits are changed to y limits and y limits are constant. Outer limit y limits are constant, that is 0 to 4a. Given problem is in vertical strip, you have to convert it to horizontal strip by using the before idea. Next problem is change of order of integration. Here outer limit is x given, inner limit is y given. So definitely here y first, x is last. So given problem is dx dy means no need to worry. You have to change it to dy to dx. dy is the inner, dy is the x outer. X is the outer limit, y is the inner limit. X outer limit means definitely it is anti-clockwise direction. Given problem is in anti-clockwise direction and vertical strip they have given. You have to convert it to horizontal strip and the outer limit should be y. So first y equal to x by a means it is a straight line, middle of the line. Next y equal to under root of x by a means y equal to under root of x by a means it is y square equal to x by a. It is a parabola. Parabola means y square. Y square means which is the y axis? Y square equal to x by a. On y axis means positive y, negative y mapped. Next step, y equal to x by a is this line. Given problem is in lower limit is y equal to x by a. Y equal to x by a to y equal to x by a to y equal to under root of x by a. So vertical strip is given here. Vertical strip is given starting from y equal to x by a to y square equal to x by a. So convert it to. So this is the y square equal to x by a. Next, this is the y equal to x by a. This is y square equal to x by a. So you have to convert it to horizontal strip, that is PQ. So here starting lower limit will be this curve. What is this curve? In this curve I can write it as x equal to a y square is the lower limit to x equal to, from this ay is the upper limit. Lower limit to upper limit. So it is a horizontal strip. Next, what are the y limits here? Y limits are 0 to, here y limits are x equal to 0 to a. If you substitute these values, you get y equal to 0 to 1. So you need to change to y equal to 0 to 1 is the outer limit, x equal to ay square to ay is the inner limit. So vertical strip is given, you have to convert to horizontal strip. So dy dx problem is changed to dx dy. The limits are y and x. This is the second one. This is the idea to solve change of order of integration. This is the third one. This is the third one. Here x is the outer limit again, y is the inner limit. So here also anti-clockwise direction given and vertical strip is given. What is the diagram? First you have to draw. Here x square is given. X square means negative values, positive values. This parabola is this line. Okay. Next, 2 minus x. Here y value is 2 minus x means x plus y equal to 2. This is a line. This line. So this is, it meets the points at here x value 0, y value 2. Here this axis means it is 2 comma 0. Next, here points of intersection is 1 comma 1. Next here 0 comma 0. So this region is like this. Next here vertical strip is given like this. This vertical strip is given. Now you need to change it to horizontal strip. So here this is the middle of this one. So horizontal strip means the region is divided into two parts. This is R1 region, this is R2 region. Here this line is on equation of y, x equal to 0 here. Here this is x equal to 0 to, this parabola is here x equal to under root of y. So x equal to 0 to x equal to under root of y. This is the R1. So x equal to 0 to x equal to under root of y. Here y is in terms of function of x. Here you need to change x is 0 to under root of y. Next, what are the y limits here? 0 to, next from R2 here again x equal to 0 here, and this line is x equal to, from this 2 minus 5. So x equal to 0 to x equal to 2 minus 5. So x is in terms of y. Now y values are 0 to, y values are 1 to 2. Why 1 to 2? Here up to here 0 to 1 here, 1 to 2 here. Here this is point of intersection 0 to 2 here, here 2 comma 0. So y equal to 1 to 2 here, 1 to 2 here 0 to 1. So this is the problem. Here vertical strip is given, horizontal strip, to consider horizontal strip, the given region is divided into two parts. So here vertical strip is given. So outer limit is x equal to 0 to 1 here. Next, here outer limit is y equal to 0 to 1, y equal to 1 to 2. So region 1 plus region 2 will gives you answer for this integral. First region plus second region answer will gives you final answer. This is the change of order of integration from third problem. You see the text, you complete solution of this one, you get the idea. Here my intention is, what are the limits for the change of order of integration? If it is given in the problem x equal to 0 to 1, x outer limit, you have to convert it to y is the outer limit, x is the inner limit. That is the concept. Next, in anti-clockwise direction, you take outer limit as x. In clockwise direction, you take outer limit as y. Anti-clockwise direction means always vertical strip. Clockwise direction means always horizontal strip. If given problem is in anti-clock, you have to convert it to clockwise, that is vertical to horizontal. If it is horizontal, you have to convert it to horizontal to vertical. Okay. Change the order of integration for this problem. Here, what are the outer limit? What is the outer limit? What is the inner limit? First you have to identify. Change the order of integration for this problem. Here, inner limit is 0 to under root of 1 minus x square. It is x term means y limits are given here. What are the y limits here? This is y limits are under root of 1 minus x square. This actual equation is circle equation. So circle equation. This is the circle. Here y is the inner limit, x is the outer limit. Here this is x, this is y. X outer limit means it is vertical strip. Vertical strip means it is going anti-clockwise direction. So vertical strip is given here. So you need to change to horizontal strip. Here from vertical strip, what are the y values? Under root of 1 minus x square. So here x values are under root of 1 minus y square. So inner limit is 0 to under root of 1 minus y square. And outer limits values are 0 to 1. So here also 0 to 1. This is the change of order of integration in circle problems. So consider vertical strips here, consider horizontal strips in problem. So you have to write here, given region of integration is, write the values. Next, given region of integration is vertical strips. So to change the order of integration, we have to convert it to horizontal strip. So the limits becomes x equal to something, y equal to something. You have to mention in the final exam. You have to write the complete answer. Okay. Problem is given. Here inner limit is y equal to x is to y equal to under root of 2 minus x square. Y equal to x means it is a straight line from coordinate axis, that is y equal to x or x equal to y. Okay. Next here y equal to under root of 2 minus x square means it is a circle equation containing the right side part, that is root 2. If you solve it, y equal to under root of 2 minus x square, that is y square equal to 2 minus x square. So x square plus y square value equal to 2 here. X square plus y square equal to 2 means this is the circle. In this circle we have considered 1/4 part from this. Okay. So this is the region of integration, and here y equal to x is given means it is a vertical strip is given. Vertical strip is given, so you have to convert it to horizontal strip. So by considering horizontal strip, we divide this region into R1 and R2. Given problem is in vertical strip, we are converting into horizontal strips. This horizontal strip is divided into two parts here. Here point of intersection here, if you see this dotted lines, this is x equal to 1. Here this is y equal to 1. So here y equal to 1 and here x equal to 0 to function of y, that is x equal to 0 to x equal to y, this line. Next x equal to 0 to this curve. What is this curve? X equal to under root of 2 minus y square. This is R2. Here in R2 x equal to 0 to under root of 2 minus y square. This is the function of y. In R1 function of y. X is a function of y. In first region, what are the constants? That is outer limit. Outer limit constants are y equal to initially 0. Next y equal to 1. Next y equal to 1 to under root of 2. That is y equal to under root of 2. 1 to root 2. This is the R2 region. Why this is root 2 means if you substitute x equal to 0 in this equation, you get y square equal to 2. That is y equal to under root 2. Root of 2. So by region 1, region 2, you get some answers. By adding these two, you get the final answer. That is the change of order of integration. So by change of order of integration, we can evaluate the given integrals. This is the idea. So before going to change of order of integration, first you have to understand That is vertical strips, horizontal strip. Vertical strip means outer limit is x, horizontal strip means outer limit is y. So this is the story behind the change of order of integration. If you learn these problems, you get an idea. For any problem you get the solution. For any problem you get the solution. So try the textbook problems, exercise problems. Thank you.